What's going on, everyone? Drew here. Today we have our iPad out and I'm going to show you guys the virtual attendant feature in Lumabooth. Lumabooth is our favorite app to use, the most affordable. You guys already know, you've seen tons of videos. And if you want to get Lumabooth at a discount, we have a link in the bio. You have to be a new user to sign up to get that discount. Also, by doing that, you'll get access to our private group chat for Lumabooth, which I'm a member and a bunch of other photo booth owners are members of. So really quick, let's go ahead and drop down menu, top right. So you want to go ahead and go to underneath where it says sharing add-ons. You go 3 down, it says virtual attendant. You're going to want to click that. So you want to make sure it's on. And really quick, before I break down these settings, what is virtual attendant? Probably should have mentioned that in the beginning. It's literally a voice that will guide the users while the photo booth is being used. And let me just go ahead and show you, right? I turned it on. I'm going to hit the drop-down menu one more time. And I'm going to launch the event so I can give you guys a little demonstration. I'll put the mic right here. So you press the photo.
Get ready.
That's exactly what it is. It's the voice. A little close up.
Okay, smile.
So why is this useful? Why is this important? Well, you know, if you're doing a drop off or you have an event and there's some people there that may not know what's going on, the voice is very, very helpful. So you know, what I love about Lumabooth and this feature is you can customize all of this stuff. So let's go ahead and go back to virtual attendant. And if you see here, right, where it says style, you can click that. They have some pre-done voices. So you can change it from American female. You could do American male voice, a Dutch female, British female. The list goes on. And what I love too is you can even customize it. You can literally record your own voice and upload it here to guide the people with the photos. And then right here too, right, where it says before capture, where it says pick one, you can literally have it change the message. So we have it set to get ready, which is a great alert for anyone to hear, because once they press it, get ready, they're going to grab props, they're going to fix themselves. And there's times where we have virtual assistant off, and I notice that people don't get ready in time. So I think that's a great one to have. You could literally put, you know, a custom one. So we like to just keep it like this, right? For pick 2, smile, pick 3, say cheese. And then after it takes the photo, right? Where it says the processing, we like it to say looking good. And then after, share your photo. So it's literally just guiding them through. You know, this isn't a crazy video, but this is something I think that needs to be done because there's a lot of people using Lumabooth not using this feature, and I think it's super, super helpful. And I'm going to explore this and make a video very soon showing how we're going to use this to to customize more. So something we're going to do in the future is the next wedding we have, we're going to experiment with this. I'm going to have the bride and the groom send me over audio messages of them telling the people using the photo booth at their wedding to get ready for the photos and all of that. I think it'll be a really cool, unique experience. So again, guys, this is Lumabooth. This is the virtual attendant feature. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you do want to get in the photo booth business, go to photobooth101.com. We sell the photo booths you need, backdrops, props. We have video training. You guys have access to all the content, group chat, mentorship, all that. So photobooth101.com. Thank you guys so much. See you soon.